Hello guys, welcome back to Zik, the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install Umingle video chat app on Android. So it's actually a video chat app, so it's very easy to actually install. First thing you have to do is open up your Play Store or Apple Store app, click on it, and you're going to search for Umingle. Umingle, just like this, and you're going to search for it. And okay, seems like I make a mistake. So once you search for it like this, you're going to see it right here. Click on that and you're going to install it. So once you install, open it up and you're good to go. So simple, you can just click on get started and start using the app. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and hopefully subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.